Hello friends, welcome to Create with Nihal. Today we are going to learn the revolt of 1857. So let's start. What was the revolt of 1857? The revolt of 1857 was a major but ultimately unsuccessful uprising in India in 1857 to 1858 against the rule of the British East India Company. Immediate cause. In 1857, the British introduced a new gun for soldiers called the Enfield rifle. The cartridges of these guns were greased with animal fat. These cartridges had to be taken off before loading. This hurt the religious sentiments of both Hindu and Muslim soldiers and resulted in a lot of anger and frustration among them. The Enfield rifles became the immediate cause of revolt of 1857. The Indian soldiers refused against the British in 1857. This revolt was also known as the First War of Independence. The first incident of violence took place in Bengal Regiment at Barakpur. On 29 March 1857, Mangal Pandey, a Brahmin soldier of the Bengal Regiment, refused to bite the greased cartridges. He fired at the English officer and asked his fellow soldiers to revolt against the British. But Mangal Pandey was arrested and executed. This news spread like wildfire to other parts of India. Leaders of the revolt. The revolt started at Meerut. The soldiers refused to use the cartridges, released prisoners from jail and attacked many British officers. They marched to Delhi on the same night. They announced Bahadur Shah II, the last Mughal emperor, as their leader on 12 May. The revolt spread to other parts of India. Nana Sahib was the leader of this revolt at Kanpur. He rebelled against British along with his brave associates and General Tatya Tope under the leadership of Begum Hazrat Mahal of Awadh. A revolt started in Lucknow. Rani Lakshmi Bai led to the battle in Jhansi. She formed a strong defense force in which women were given military training. Failure of the revolt. The revolt happening all across India was suppressed by the British. There were many reasons of its failure. The revolt was not widespread. Only the central and the northern parts of India witnesses this revolt. The rebels failed to plan the revolt properly and there was a lack of effective leadership. All Indians were not united as some of the Indian kings helped the British rather than their own people. The British had superior weapons and a larger army of soldiers. Outcome of the revolt. The British Crown took over the administration of India. The British government appointed a Governor General to rule the country. He was called the Viceroy. The first Viceroy of India was Lord Canning. Some were allowed to rule their territories but were under the British rule. The revolt laid down the foundation for the future freedom struggle and inspired several Indian independence movements.